Welcome back. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In this video, we are going to be going over a barber practice test number 5. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. This will be a 20 question and answer practice test going over shaving, hair color, permanent waving, and relaxers. If you find all of this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Good luck on your test. Now let's get started. Number 1, when performing facial hair services, which hair texture is more prone to developing ingrown hairs? A, straight, B, wavy, C, straight and coarse, D, curly and tightly curled. The answer is D, curly and tightly curled. Number 2, what shaving product is used to protect the skin and reduce skin irritation? A, beard oil, B, pre-shave oil, C, antiseptic, D, none. The answer is B, pre-shave oil. Number 3, how is the temperature of a hot steam towel tested? A, on the inside of the barber's wrist. B, on the side of the barber's face. C, on the side of the barber's nose. D, on the inside of the barber's elbow. The answer is A, on the inside of the barber's wrist. Number 4, what kind of strokes are performed in tight areas such as over the ears and around the mouth? A, longer, B, shorter, C, reverse freehand, D, reverse backhand. The answer is B, shorter. Number 5, in order to clean clippers with adjustable blades, you must A, immerse clippers into soap and water, B, immerse clippers into blade wash, C, immerse only the cutting blades into blade wash, D, spray them clean. The answer is C, immerse only the cutting blades into blade wash. Number 6, the fingers used to stretch and hold the skin while shaving should be kept A, moist, B, cold, C, wet, D, dry. The answer is D, dry. Number 7, if a client prefers a shadow effect beard design, which of the following tools would be recommended? A, clippers, B, razor, C, shears, D, shear over comb. The answer is A, clippers. Number 8, when performing a face shave using a reverse backhand position, what is the movement of the stroke? A, upward semi-arc stroke towards you. B, gliding stroke towards you. C, gliding stroke directed downward. D, gliding stroke away from you. The answer is C, gliding stroke directed downward. Number 9, how does a barber deal with a deep horizontal crease occurring below the occipital bone while performing a head shaving service? A, shaves carefully over the crease. B, makes the crease as flat as possible. C, pinches the crease to tighten it. D, ignores the crease. The answer is B, makes the crease as flat as possible. Number 10, varying proportions of blue and yellow create what color? A, green, B, blue, C, black, D, violet. The answer is A, green. Number 11, in artificial hair coloring, the predominant tone is known as the A, desired level, B, tonality, C, color field, D, base color. The answer is D, base color. Number 12, which type of porosity may take longer to absorb hair color? A, average, B, resistant, C, normal, D, extreme. The answer is B, resistant. Number 13, permanent hair colors are mixed with A, conditioners, B, metallic dyes, C, shampoo, D, hydrogen peroxide developers. The answer is D, hydrogen peroxide developers. Number 14, what can you do to see if the hair color has developed successfully or if additional processing time is needed? A, use a strand test. B, use a pigment test. C, use a color test. D, use a stain test. The answer is A, use a strand test. Number 15, what perms cause minimal swelling and must be wrapped with a firm, even tension? A, alkaline, B, acid, C, cold, D, warm. The answer is B, acid. Number 16, what type of perms process the fastest? A, alkaline, B, heat, C, acid, D, exothermic. The answer is A, alkaline. Number 17, what is applied to a client's hairline prior to a perm service to protect the skin? A, neutralizer, B, ammonia, C, barrier cream, D, perm solution. The answer is C, barrier cream. Number 18, which base control is the most commonly used during a perm service? A, off base, B, under directed, C, on base, D, half off base. The answer is D, half off base. Number 19, what is used to reharden the hair into a new straighter shape when using a sodium hydroxide based relaxer? A, neutralizing shampoo, B, sealer, C, moisturizing conditioner, D, protein conditioner. The answer is A, neutralizing shampoo. Number 20. What is the main ingredient found in curl rearrangers? A, hydrogen peroxide, B, glycerol monothioglycolate, C, ammonium thioglycolate, D, sodium hydroxide. The answer is C, ammonium thioglycolate. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful and it's helping you prepare for your state exam. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you are learning some information along with it. Thank you again for being here. Let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one.